My dear student, this is lecture number 2, week 2, video clip number 2. And in this video we are talk about the content which we are going to cover in this lecture. So today's lecture contents are: we will discuss new historicism. We will also talk about new criticism. We will also discuss different types of other theories like Christian formalism. We will define and explore cultural studies, structuralism, and post-structuralism. We will also talk about Marxism and deconstruction. Along with these, we will introduce queer theory, post-colonial theory, and reader response theory as well. So, this lecture is going to provide you different types of introductory remarks about all these theories and at least one or 2 points they are relevant and important about the theories. It will also give you the basic statement or a basic theme or central line around which all the theories are revolving in terms of text analysis and interpretation. Let's see how different theories are taking text as a source of meanings in interpretations. Now, it's something an introduction, and we will talk that what are they. So, school of literature theory and criticism are just like theories comparably to any other discipline. In English, these are different school of thoughts that have been accepted in different scholarly circles as a way of viewing and interpreting texts or authors. So it's very clear that literary criticism comparably similar to literary theories, and theories are as we have defined in the last lecture, that these are different types of lenses through which different scholars interpret and analyze different types of text. These theories are well known and have been accepted in different scholarly circles around the world, and most of the university who are offering this course, they are teaching these theories as a source of knowledge and a way of reaching to different meanings in literary text. There are many more schools than what we are actually looking here, but these are the most applicable to the books which you will be looking at for your subject of literary theories. What I mean, there are many theories available in the world. We are not taking all those theories over here, but we are taking only the more applicable and important point which we will apply in different of our texts. So they are not new, they are already accepted by the Western culture and universities and the scholars, and they are applying them and the analysis of different texts inside the universities. Now we are going towards the first literary theory, that is New Historicism. This is founded by Shakespearean scholar Stephen Greenblatt. New Historicism critics attempt to bring back historical and anthropological approaches that had been discarded by other school of critics nearly a century earlier. Now, what I told you in the very beginning, that New Historicism, because the word itself explains, it is based on history. We are taking history as a main source which we can see when we analyze different types of text, though this approach has been cited by different theorists, but still it is available. New Historicism critics examines primary source material such as political treatises, newspapers, or any other type of text publications, or we can say for our purpose any type of literary text that is written in English. You can apply New Historicism over here. So what we feel that, and we see that New Historicism can make a way for us to see all the biographical impacts and effects of the age on the life of author, and how does that author or do those authors put those events in the literary text. That is why it is very much relevant to know about the age and their qualities for going to analyze any text in terms of New Historicism. So this theory pinpoints different types of social mores and political ideologies to infer the societal elements that may have influenced the author in the creation of new work, or in terms of his creation that impacts due to his life events and the society. Now, what is really New Historicism? New Historicism is a literary theory based on the ideas that literature should be studied and interpreted within the context of both the history of the author and the history of the critic. Means both the critic and the author in their historical background, or the age in which they were producing and creating any text, that is important. The new historicist also acknowledges that his examination of literature is tainted by his own culture and environment, and it is very much important that your own cultural and environmental impacts definitely affects your works, affects your type of analysis. So whatever the ideological interpretation is available in this and the critic age, that are also applied over there, and historically we see different types of text that were created by these things. Writers such as Michel Foucault, Stephen Greenblatt, Stephen Knight, and Walter Benz Michaels have paved the way for New Historicism. Among these, Michel Foucault is one of the well-known and very famous author in the field of literary theory, and he has described clearly all the aspects of New Historicism, in even not only in this theory, but he is the part of all other available theories as well, because he is the most pivotal person who are making ways for different types of interpretation in literary arena. That is why he is one of the well-known author in the field laboratory theory.